Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 tutorial. Here I will detail how to turn on and turn off call recording in iPhone iOS 18. So if you have the call recording feature on your iPhone iOS 18 and I want to turn on or turn off the call recording on your iPhone, run latest iOS 18, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Mark you, the call recording feature on iPhone iOS 18 is only available for iOS 18.1 beta 4 user. So if you're a beta user or a developer, then by now you should have the iOS 18 call recording feature on your iPhone. But if you're a public user, you need to wait until the iOS 18.1 with call recording feature is available for the public user. So if you already upgraded your iPhone to the latest feature to use the call recording in iPhone and you don't know how to turn this on or turn it off, then here is a quick approach. So the first one to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just need to scroll down and click on apps. Now once you selected apps, you want to scroll down the page, keep scrolling until you get to the phone app on your iPhone. Here, then click on that. Under the phone app, you need to scroll down as well until you get to calls. Then under calls, locate call recording. By default, you're gonna have the call recording turned off. Now to turn on the call recording on your iPhone, just enable this. To turn it off, repeat the process and turn this off. Now once you turn on the call recording on your iPhone just like this, when next you want to make a call or when next you have an incoming call on your iPhone, you see a feature that prompts you to either record the incoming call or choose not to record the outgoing call. So if you have an active call on your iPhone and you want to record the call, just go ahead, put the call through, or when you have an incoming call, pick up the call. Now you can continue the conversation. Once you continue the conversation, you should see this menu at the top left. There is a call recording icon at the top left here. Then go ahead and click on that. So as a first time user, you're gonna see a pop that says this is a call recording feature, and you see an announcement that this call will be recorded, and the third party will be notified that you are recording the phone call now. Now once you're done recording the call, just go ahead and either click on end or click on stop to stop the call recording, or tap end to stop the active call. Then once done, recorded calls will be saved on the Note app on your iPhone. So you can just go to the Note application on your iPhone. You should see the call recorded on the Note app just like this. However, if you want to stop using the call recording feature on your iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is go ahead and turn off the call recording feature on your iPhone. To do this, just go to the iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on apps. Click on phone under apps. Then here come to call and tap call recording and then disable this. So that is basically how to turn on and turn off call recording in iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.